Did you know that AI is projected to contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030? That's like adding a new economy the size of China. As we speak, AI is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and make money online. One of the most exciting developments in this space is LEONARDO AI, a game-changing tool that's empowering individuals to generate significant income streams. So, what is LEONARDO AI, and how can you harness its power to transform your financial future? In 2024, LEONARDO AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's a reality that's changing the game for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and anyone looking to supplement their income. With its advanced algorithms and capabilities, LEONARDO AI is making it possible for people to earn a decent living online without breaking a sweat. But what's even more exciting is the potential for anyone to scale their income to dizzying heights, all thanks to the power of AI. So, if you're curious about how to tap into this opportunity, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the new way to make money with LEONARDO AI, and I'll share some powerful insights on how to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time business, LEONARDO AI can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. But before we dive in, I want to emphasize that LEONARDO AI is not just another flashy tool. It's a legitimate way to build a sustainable income stream. And I'm excited to share this knowledge with you. So let's get started. Many of us have tried to monetize AI tools before, only to end up frustrated and disillusioned. Maybe you've invested time and money into a particular strategy, only to see it fail miserably. Perhaps you felt overwhelmed by the complexity of AI, or lacked the knowledge and resources to get started. Or maybe you've simply felt like you're not tech-savvy enough to make it work. Whatever the reason, it's easy to feel like you're stuck in a rut, with no clear way forward. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to monetize AI tools is a lack of knowledge. They might have a vague idea of what they want to achieve, but they're not sure how to get there. They might have heard about the potential of AI, but they don't know how to tap into it. And that's understandable. After all, AI is a complex and rapidly evolving field. But the good news is that you don't need to be an AI expert to get started. Another major obstacle is a lack of resources. Maybe you're operating on a shoestring budget, and you can't afford to invest in fancy software or tools. Maybe you're short on time, and you don't know how to fit AI into your busy schedule. Whatever the reason, it's easy to feel like you're at a disadvantage when it comes to leveraging AI for financial gain. And then there's the issue of guidance. When you're trying to monetize AI, it's easy to feel like you're flying solo. You might be following a particular strategy or program, but you're not sure if it's the right one for you. You might be feeling scared or uncertain, and you don't know who to turn to for advice. Whatever the reason, it's easy to feel like you're lost in the wilderness, with no clear path forward. But here's the thing. You don't need to be an expert to get started with LEONARDO AI. You don't need a PhD in computer science, or a fat bank account, or even a fancy degree. What you do need is a willingness to learn and a passion for making things happen. And if you're willing to put in the work, I'm confident that you can achieve amazing results with LEONARDO AI. So, how do you get started? The first step is to understand the basics of LEONARDO AI and how it can be used to generate income. This might involve learning about AI models, or algorithms, or data analysis. It might involve understanding how to use LEONARDO AI to automate tasks, or generate content, or build websites. Whatever the case, the key is to start small and focus on building your skills one step at a time. As you get more comfortable with LEONARDO AI, you can start to explore more advanced strategies for monetizing it. This might involve building a website, or creating a product, or offering a service. Whatever the case, the key is to focus on providing value to others and to build a loyal audience of fans and customers. One of the most powerful ways to monetize LEONARDO AI is through affiliate marketing. By promoting high-quality products and services, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. And with LEONARDO AI, you can automate much of the process, from content creation to lead generation. It's a powerful way to build a passive income stream, and it's easier than you think. Another way to monetize LEONARDO AI is through sponsored content. By partnering with brands and businesses, you can create sponsored posts, videos, or podcasts that showcase their products or services. And with LEONARDO AI, you can use advanced algorithms to match sponsors with relevant audiences and to optimize your content for maximum engagement. Of course, there are many other ways to monetize Leonardo AI, from selling products and services to offering consulting and coaching. The key is to find what works best for you and to focus on building a loyal audience of fans and customers. One of the most inspiring examples of someone who has achieved significant financial success with Leonardo AI is Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who was struggling to make ends meet. Despite having no prior experience with AI, Sarah was determined to build a better life for herself and her family. So, she invested in a Leonardo AI course and started learning the ropes. At first, Sarah faced many challenges. She struggled to understand the basics of AI, and she felt overwhelmed by the complexity of the technology. But she didn't give up. Instead, she kept learning, and she kept pushing forward. And within a few short months, Sarah was generating a full-time income with Leonardo AI. Fast forward to today, and Sarah is earning over $8,000 per week with Leonardo AI. She's built a loyal audience of fans and customers, and she's living the life she's always wanted. And the best part? She's still learning, and she's still growing. She's a powerful example of what's possible when you combine determination with the right tools and strategies. So, what's the takeaway from Sarah's story? It's that anyone can achieve financial success with Leonardo AI, regardless of their background or experience. It's that with the right mindset and the right tools, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. As we wrap up this video, I want to emphasize the importance of taking action. You've learned about the power of Leonardo AI, and you've seen the potential for financial growth. Now, it's up to you to take the next step. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, I encourage you to start building your skills with Leonardo AI today. Remember, the key to success is to focus on providing value to others and to build a loyal audience of fans and customers. With Leonardo AI, you have the power to achieve amazing results and to build a sustainable income stream that will last you a lifetime. So, what do you think? Have you had any experiences with Leonardo AI or with monetizing AI tools in general? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights and tutorials on how to make money with Leonardo AI.